All right, so them turn me that again. So, me and the great Ainsworth is on one team, and then Tanita, well, it's Tanya, but we call her Tanita, and Sammy Rooney is on the other team. So apparently now we're supposed to put the clothespin them in our mouth and then put them on the line from our mouth. Why? I don't know. But I think it's something like this. So what?
No, wait. So we're both doing it at the same time. So it's animal gets it go, and then when we put on, okay. So hold on, man. So as soon as you put the first, then you go on T. All right? Ready? Tell us when Benji. Excuse me. Hi. Can you just hold on? Can I just get in place? Okay, good.
You want to beat me?
Nice.
Ready, set.
Come on, T. Hurry up, gonna hold. Oh my God.
No, well, Ainsworth, you're the worst. Come again, Ainsworth.
Go yourself.
Ainsworth, you're worse than your sister. You're supposed to can't hold the line. You must hold the line. Ainsworth, just hold the line. I just said Ainsworth hold the line. That Ainsworth come out. Ainsworth, I think Marissa did awful, but Marissa, where you get that money from? Ainsworth, you win.
Why shaking the line? Why not shaking the line like that? Come on, T, you got it. Ah, sure. Lean, but it's so it go.
No, Ainsworth weren't it good. Ainsworth weren't it good. Come now, Ainsworth.
Tanya, honest to God?
Tanya turn all her head.
What's new, T? All right, T. It's a trajectory, but... Jeez.
Yeah, man, that's yeah. Ainsworth, yeah, we're steaming right now. Your time, Ainsworth. Right,
No, you can't hold it.
Let's see that one.
All right. So what to do with the ones on the floor? Just leave them there?
No, man, Ainsworth, you're better than Marissa. I apologize. But we can't reach it now.
No, I'm done.
Tanya, I'm glad you know the permit. Ainsworth, you again. Come, Ainsworth.
Too tall is what it is.
Ainsworth, anytime today would be fine for me, you know. Ainsworth, you have it there now. Yes, man. Ainsworth, me is the manager. Where you again?
Careful.
Me I manager. Me I coach for the team. No, I am the coach for the team. No, Ainsworth, you can't thief.
Yeah. I don't know if you can reach up so far. Very tough.
Ainsworth, yeah. Go back for your next one. Me I coach. Come now, Ainsworth, man. Let's go.
All right. When I don't see that is... Now his team is thieving.
No, we're not thieving. We just have a coach. We don't have peer players. Sit on your thief. Ainsworth want to. We're not into the frolicking. Ainsworth, you win. Go. Come again, man. No, come there, man. May I coach? Da-da-dee. I bet you after this, we get a job for Coach Jamaica. Well, after me win. Ainsworth, that is it. Yeah, one more. Come. Ainsworth, you move slow.
Because Ainsworth is moving the line.
Every team must have a coach. Tanita, I love it. Right, that's Tanita. Let it go, Tanita. Right, that's
Okay, don't pay
Ainsworth, yes. All right, Ainsworth. I think I can.
Don't listen to the funny section. Go, T. Never stop moving the something now.
We're not
You got it, T.
All right, if it just drop, we know. Then we know we're already.
That's it.
Then we know must win.
Can't win.
This is a plan, you know. Ainsworth play the first half, and me play the second half.
Cannot win.
What do you mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This make 11.
1, 2, Okay. I'm going. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1,
Yeah,
2,
but
3,
never you didn't
1,
follow
2,
the
3, 4,
rules.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 this. 12, me I gotta wait for you. 12 that. Man say break long time. It's 12 that she still not beat me. 12 that.
Never you didn't follow the rules.